waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety carry. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pakara. Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. EVA, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Right to Blue Flag. We're going to clear a path so transport can make a jump.
Taking evasive action!
Try to strike him, Blue!
I'm trying!
We lost Blue Flag! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Our friends and friends are making us a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Tell what the location of our secret base. Tell him nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this vessel is now under command of the First Order. Exit now, prepare for interrogation. That's so cool, Alex. Take a picture. Take a picture.
By yourself? Join them on blue. He's gonna join you on the same color. How many? 4. You 4 on this red. How many? You 4 on this gray. Where are you at? Right here. Why are you smiling? I'll just get the pheasant face, ma'am. You already have trouble. Oh, yeah. How many? On this orange. Fire sympathizers, listen up. You were all given only one color to stand on. Stand on your color nice and orderly. Face each other across the hallway. And memorize that one color you were given. It would be quite embarrassing if you need to keep looking down. I just gave it to you. Now I see why you were captured. Red and blue, get in. Resistance will literally take anyone. Orange and gray, follow them in. About my friend. I know, right here. Right here. I'm not colorblind, right?
Yeah, you are.
Oh my god.
Oh, that is orange.
Oh, shoot, this is Stormtrooper.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Quarter to the triple list, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching attention block 3. Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detachment to level D.
There they are. Fire! Take cover, recruits! If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape routes are below us. Down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction.
Raise the shields! Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
sign on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scan for his pocket.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Thanks for helping the resistance. Great job, you guys. Alright, watch your step.
Let me tell you, that's a ride. That is a ride. Wow. Wow. Oh, speechless. That's amazing. Amazing.